Hey guys, welcome once again to the Untitled Chapter channel. Today we are going to look at this. This is the new Tecno Spark 5. It's the successor to the Spark 4 from a few months ago, and with it Tecno has made a few changes to the Spark lineup to just bring it up to date with the times, both in terms of the hardware and the software, as we are going to see briefly. So here we want to just see what comes inside the packaging, the retail packaging. Hopefully, if you're going to pick one of these, what you are going to see inside your packaging. So let's go right ahead and unbox it. So with that done, let's cut this sticker. It will be a bit tricky. Yes, that's done. So let's dive right in. There we go. First things we see is the device with this wrapping that is very well branded, and as you can see there, you have your 4 camera arrangement, your button arrangement, then down here the camera can capture this, micro USB port, 3.5mm type from jack, your speaker, a microphone there. The top is very clean. Let's put this aside for a moment and see what else comes inside. You have your 13-month warranty sticker there. Oh, let's get a case with this one too. So is case that will fit the Spark. Looks and feels similar to the case that we saw in the Tecno Camon 15 Premier. If you haven't watched that unboxing, you can check it on the channel. Let's go. So here we have a cable, charging cable that is, and here come your earphones. Interesting. They've packed around the same as the ones I found in the Camon 15 Premier that I thought I needed to have a look because they look so good. Of course, here's your SIM tray ejection pin, and then here's your old adapter for charging. Yeah, that's about it. That's all that you get in the box of the Tecno Spark 5. This is the 5th generation of the Spark. The Spark is Tecno's low-end smartphone series. Now it's being complicated by the F series down there. So as you can see from the packaging, this is a 6.6 inch display. So the last generation had a 6.52 inch display. The battery is 5000 milliampere hours. The last generation, of course, had a 4000 milliampere hour cell. Of course, important, there is 4G LTE, and of course those 4 cameras at the back that are arranged in this new design language that Tecno is now going with. And of course, here saying .in means instead of a notch like we had on the Spark 4, we are getting a punch hole somewhere here. So we can go right ahead and see how that looks like. As you can see, the design is quite exquisite there. You have this interesting color arrangement that blends and all that, which is not new from Tecno. We have seen this on its other devices, but it's very interesting that they bring it to the Spark series. And just looking at the back here, this looks like something from the Camon series, but hey, this is Spark. This is a fingerprint sensor. The power on off button has this orange hue. Yes, and there, not sure if you can see this, but there is your front facing camera. And of course, the earpieces, they still manage to squeeze it in instead of using the screen to vibrate. So yeah, this is the Tecno Spark 5. As of now, when I'm doing this video, I don't know the pricing for it, but you can keep tabs on the blog. We'll be sure to share when it starts selling in Kenya and how much it is going for and all that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Yes, see you next time.